So in this session, we are going to have a physiology short lecture, right? So it's going to be a very quick overview of a small physiology topic. Welcome to the channel Let's Crack NEET PG, where you have the top educators, quality content, and you guys are assured a great learning experience. My name is Chaitanya Mittal. I am currently pursuing my MBBS from AIMS New Delhi, right? So the topic for today's class is regulation of gastric acid secretions in the stomach, okay? And we're going to be doing it in a very quick way. We're going to be doing it in a very quick, very swift way, right? So just try and understand what I'm saying, okay? Just try and understand what I'm saying, okay? So this is your the cell that I'm drawing here in purple, right? Let's say this is your which cell? What are the cells responsible for HCl secretion? Parietal cell, parietal cell, right? Now parietal cell, it has certain pumps here that are known as proton pumps. So what they're going to do is they're going to send out H plus, okay, and they're going to take in some other ions, right? So that's out of our scope. So let's say right now they have proton pumps. What are these called as? They're called as proton pumps, and they're going to secrete HCl, okay. There's an entire mechanism by which they are going to secrete HCl, but what is of concern here is how they are going to regulate it, how that gets regulated. So for HCl secretion, if you try and understand, there are two things. There will be some factors that will encourage HCl secretion, and there will be some factors that are going to discourage HCl secretion. Okay. So what are the factors that are going to be encouraging HCl secretion? So they are basically just like your friends, kalle 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 kalle, है ना? So they are going to say कि kalle 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 secrete, ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं. So those are the encouraging factors, and then there are some factors that are going to discourage, that are going to say भाई रुक जा, shanti, right? So if you know, in your body there is a molecule called as somatostatin. There is a molecule called as somatostatin, and it is inhibitory, right? When you talk about insulin and glucagon also, they are also inhibitory, and it is released by cells called as, these are special cells called as D cells, right? These are special cells called as T cells. And what is the molecule that they are going to release? They are going to release somatostatin. They are going to release somatostatin, right? And somatostatin, it is going to go and it is going to inhibit the parietal cell. It's going to inhibit the parietal cell. Understood? How does it inhibit the parietal cell? By inhibiting gastrin. By inhibiting gastrin. Okay, abhi we'll talk about that. So what is happening actually here is that you have some more cells here that are again local cells, and you have heard of these cells. One of them is called as G cell. One of them is called as G cell, right? G cell. Then there are other cells. Then there are other cells that you have heard of. They are called as enterochromaffin-like cells. Okay, so I'll just write the full form. Enterochromaffin-like cells, and they are going to release histamine. Enterochromaffin-like cells, not ECL, sorry, ELC, right? Okay, nahi, right. Enterochromaffin-like cells. Okay, so ECL cells. And lastly, what do you have? You have cells that are going to release acetylcholine. So who is going to release acetylcholine? Neurons, right? So neurons are going to release acetylcholine. They are going to release acetylcholine, and these neurons, they are also activated by acetylcholine. They are also activated by acetylcholine, but the receptor is different. So G cells, what are they going to release? They are going to release a molecule called as, you all know the name of the molecule, come on. They're going to release a molecule called as gastrin. Now gastrin, it's a very, very important molecule. Why? Because it is going to do two things. It is going to directly also stimulate the parietal cell, and indirectly also. How indirectly? It will stimulate the enterochromaffin-like cells to release a molecule called as histamine. Okay. So now you have three molecules: gastrin, histamine, and acetylcholine. And all of them have their receptors. Their receptors are very simple to learn, right? So how I remember the receptors is very simple. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what I do is 1, 2, 3. What is 1, what is 2, and what is 3? So 1 stands for nothing. There is no 1. There is a 2, H2 and M. There is an H2 receptor. There is an M3 receptor. Okay. muscarinic receptor 3, and for gastrin the name of the receptor is CCKB receptor, CCKB receptor. Okay, so these are the three kind of receptors. These are the three kinds of receptors. Now the H2 receptors, what kind of receptors are they? What kind of receptors are they? So you have to understand that all of these receptors, they are receptors that are part of the G protein coupled receptors. They're all G protein coupled receptors. ठीक है? Be it M3, H2 or CCKB. But the difference lies in the fact that H2 receptors, they are GS receptors, whereas these are GQ receptors, which means that they are going to increase the amount of cyclic AMP, right? Whereas they are going to work via the diacylglycerol and increasing the calcium. Okay, so that is one difference that is there in their mechanisms, and that also has certain clinical implications. Okay, one more thing that you should know is that Helicobacter pylori, which cells is it targeting? It is going to target the D cell. So it is going to decrease the amount of somatostatin, and it is going to remove the brakes from parietal cell. So there will be uncontrolled secretion of H plus, and that will lead to peptic ulcer disease. So I hope this slide summarizes the regulation of gastric acid secretion for you, and you can make certain more correlations. One of them is that why is, if you have to block M3, H2 or CCKB, which one is the most effective block? Okay, first, you can block a lot of things in case of peptic ulcer disease. You can block proton pumps, you can block M3, you can block H2, you can block CCKB. So which will you prefer to block? Obviously proton pumps, because everything is ultimately working via the proton pumps. So if you block the proton pumps, that is the most effective. But now if I ask you that if you want to block M3, H2 or CCKB, which will you block? Okay, so you are going to block H2. That's the most effective. The reason is that, see, the M3 and the CCKB, they're both working through the same pathway. They're both working through the same pathway. So even if you block M3, it can be replaced by something. If you block this, it can be replaced by M3. So if you block H2, you are actually finishing off a concept known as synergy, because otherwise there is a synergy between these two pathways. So you are targeting that synergy, right? Synergy basically means 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. So if you are removing this 1, you are having an effect of -9, right? So that's the funda behind this being effective, and that's a point written in your genome, right? So that was the physiology of regulation of gastric acid secretion, right? So thank you so much, guys. Now I wish to tell you a little bit about the Unacademy subscription, right? So I would like to thank you guys for watching this particular video. So I hope you guys have downloaded the Unacademy learning application. You guys can use my referral code Chaitanya10 to unlock the free plan on Unacademy, because you will need an invite code. You will need an invite code for that, and you guys can use my invite code for that particular purpose. So telling you a little bit about the subscription, we have some of the top educators who are teaching live on Unacademy, and they're making plus courses for you. So these plus courses are paid courses, as you can see, and you will need a subscription to access these courses. At the same time, we have free of cost special classes that are available for you guys. Okay. So what is the details of the subscription? I'll just come to that. Before that, I want to tell you that Unacademy is a one-stop solution for your NEET PG preparation needs. We are introducing batch courses that are live classroom experience. Okay. Now you are having regular testing with special tests and weekly tests. And besides that, we have a doubt clearing feature which no one else has, a dedicated ask a doubt feature. Okay. Besides that, if you look at it, the Unacademy subscription, you can access it from your laptop. You can access it from your smart devices, TV and all. So you have less exposure or strain on your eyes. We've started batches for NEET PG. We have started batches for INI CET. We have batches going on for Next, and we have batches going on for FMG. So they just started this month, and you guys can catch up with these batches. We have an MCQ question bank that has over 34,000 plus questions, right? So you can, on all of these questions, they are made by experts. They are verified by experts and toppers, and you guys can crack your examination if you solve these question banks, right? So Unacademy will provide you flexibility in your schedule, in the language, in the number of times you guys can practice, right? So you also have a very amazing chat feature, and you have the option of interactive polls and the ability to learn anytime, anywhere you want. So just go ahead, and download the Unacademy learning application. You know to use my invite code, register. We have two kinds of subscriptions. One is the Unacademy Plus subscription, and the second is the Unacademy Iconic subscription. And in the Iconic subscription, you will get access not only to Unacademy, not only to all the benefits I've just told you, but also to Prep Ladder. And if you talk about Prep Ladder, you have recorded premium video lectures. You have the updated question bank, that is question bank 3.0 coming soon, right? And rapid revision course. Along with this, you will also get handwritten notes. Otherwise, आप notes वगैरह खरीदते हो 7-8,000 you will spend on that minimum, right? During your MBBS, you will spend that amount. So it's better you get it once. Okay, so you will get the Iconic subscription, and right now we have an offer going on. That's a limited time offer going on for the Iconic subscription. You have to use my referral code Chaitanya10, and you will be able to take the 3-year plan. You will be able to take the 3-year plan for a cost that is less than 60,000, right? The 2-year plan, it's for almost 50,000, and the 1-year plan, it's for 40,000, and this is for the first 500 users only. So take it with my referral code and be one of the first 500 users to take this. And right now, in earlier, this was earlier for 92,000, so you're getting a discount of over 30, it's almost 35,000, right? So go ahead, take this, discuss it with your parents, and you will get access to both platforms, Unacademy and Prep Ladder. So Unacademy will do the role of a live class, and Prep Ladder will give you all the recorded content and all the question banks that you need to access. Okay, so it's a very synergistic deal. And if you want to take the Plus subscription, if you want to try it out, we have a 3-month offer, right? If you take the 3-month subscription, you will automatically get 1 month free, but you have to use my referral code Chaitanya10 for that, right? So that's the referral code to use. And if you want to take the Plus subscription for a longer duration, that is, let's say if you already have Prep Ladder, you can go for the 1 month subscription, that is for 4,500. You can go for the 1-year subscription for 25,000. The 3-month subscription I just told you about is for 11,000. 2 years is for 36,000, and the 3-year subscription is for 45,000. That is after discount using my referral code Chaitanya10, right? So at the end, I would like to thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Remember to hit the like button for the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel Let's Crack NEET PG. Share this video as much as possible with your friends. Okay, and do remember to drop a comment on this video also. And you can use, you can also you take maximum advantage of the Telegram channel that is there. The link is also there in the description. It's t.me/Let's Crack NEET PG. You can simply search for Let's Crack NEET PG on Telegram and you'll be able to find it. So do remember to subscribe to that channel, because you will be able to follow all the educators together. You'll be able to get the notes. You'll be able to get the links for the sessions both on the Unacademy platform as well as the YouTube platform, right? And also remember to hit the bell icon for notifications. Chaitanya10 is my referral code. Please remember to use it either if you are unlocking the free plan or if you are taking any subscription, whether it be a Plus subscription or a Iconic subscription, right? Thank you so much, guys, for watching.